Alright, here we come to the elevator at 3509 Haworth Drive in Raleigh, North Carolina. This one's a 1970s Dover as well. Exactly like the one on Barrett Drive, but only exception is that this is in the opposite direction. That's right, here we go. You can already hear the sound. Oh yes. Good, we don't have a fan. So we can hear the motor. What? That was quite a motor. Barely hear it. This elevator was installed in 1974. I guess we'll take it for one more ride and I'll watch the classic leveling at the top, both at the top and bottom. That's right, here we go. Listen. The control has been updated at one point. Let's stop so hard. Not much classic leveling than what you see in the other building. Back down to one. Doors are so rough and loud. I mean, the door is so rough and loud. Again, I love these fixtures. Looks like the panel is a little bit more wider than the other ones on Barrett Drive. There's no phone, just an alarm. I'm gonna watch it close. All right, there it goes, and that's it.